In this tutorial, you will learn how to install and use the WOZTELL extension in Zoho Begin. First, go to the Begin Marketplace and install the WOZTELL extension. In this case, we will install it for all of our Begin users. For the extension to work, we must enter the necessary tokens. To get them, log into your account on the WOZTELL platform. Go to Settings, and then to Access Tokens. We can create a new token, or use one that we had generated previously. Copy your token, return to Begin, and fill in the first blank. This token is mandatory for the extension to work, as it allows us to read WhatsApp messages from Begin. The second token is optional. Make sure to include it if you also want to send WhatsApp templates from Zoho Begin. To get this token, navigate to Channels. Select any WhatsApp channel. Click Advanced Access, and generate or choose one of the tokens available on the page. Go back to Begin and paste your token in the second blank. Click Save, and your WhatsApp extension on Zoho Begin is now functional. Within the Contacts tab, open the detailed view of any contact, and you will see a button in the upper right corner of the page. If you click the WhatsApp Conversation button, you will be able to view the WhatsApp message thread for that specific contact within any WhatsApp channel you choose. If you're familiar with Zoho CRM's WOZTELL extension, this is similar to the WhatsApp Conversation History interface you can find there. If you click the drop-down and select the Send WhatsApp Template button, you will be able to send WhatsApp templates. To send one, you must pick the channel and your template of choice. You can view the template preview on the right. You can also choose the language in case there are several available for the chosen template. Once you send the template, you can click this button to view the full conversation on the WOZTELL platform. That's it. You can find more information on the knowledge base. See you next time.